This is a short tutorial on how to use the new ESU Co-op purchasing website for the annual buy and the paper buy. First, go to your individual ESU login page and use your email address and your selected password to log in. If you've forgotten your password, you can type in your email address and click Forgot Password to receive a system-generated email reset. If you continue having problems, please contact your local coordinator for help logging in. If you do not know your local ESU website, a list can be found on the ESU Co-op purchasing website at esucoop.org. Click on the ESU Co-op annual buy link. Here you will see a timeline or PDF catalogs by numerical listing or by section. The catalog updates, and the list of websites. Once you are logged in, you will also see a link that will take you to the ESU Co-op website and to the different PDF catalogs. To start shopping, you need to select the catalog icon on the left or from the drop-down box. You can browse through the catalog in numerical order, or you can search using keywords or item numbers. To add items to your shopping cart, click Add to Cart. You can also add multiple items at one time. We ask that you review your cart carefully before proceeding to checkout. Once you click this Continue button and convert your cart to one transaction, you can no longer add items to your order. We recommend leaving items in your shopping cart until you are done shopping. You can log out at this point and leave your items in your shopping cart if you are not done for the day. And when you come back and log in, your items will still be there waiting for you. Say you have accidentally converted your cart to one transaction. You log out for the day. And when you come back, you have more items you would like to order. Or you don't know where your order has gone to, and you start shopping all over again. Do not worry, if you do 2 orders, we can still remove an order. Here, under Checkout, you will see any recent order. To see the items in an order, please click the blue arrow next to the transaction number. Here, you can see each individual item where you can add a note per item. To use for later. Your order has not been submitted yet, as you still have to release the order. It's going to ask you to provide missing data, which a purchase order is required. You can put in a purchase order number, or even just call it by an identifier. We can still edit the quantity here, or we can even delete the item. Once you have filled in the required information, click Update. You will be asked to release the purchase order as your next step. Once you click Release, you will see an order summary that you can continue, print, or cancel. We ask that you print a copy and keep for your records. You can still cancel the order. It will go back to checkout and wait for you. Once you click continue, it will ask you if you are sure you wish to continue, as the order will be transmitted to the supplier. You can still cancel or click continue to finish the order submittal. Now your order has been completely submitted, and you can view it and still print that summary. Now, we did an order earlier that we did not submit. To find it, you can log in. This is the page you will see when you log in. Click checkout. It's going to show you your most recent order. But say you wanted to see every order that you've done in the last 30 days. Your submitted orders will only be allowed to view. But this order here we did and then walked away from. We can still delete this order as a total or by individual item. If we did 2 orders and we do not want this order, we have the option to come down here under Next Step, select Delete, and click the red Delete button. It will ask you if you're sure you want to remove this transaction. It will select Yes. You can view your individual orders here, one at a time. Or you can run an extract of all your recent orders. Under the Extract button, you will have the option to run a user activity extract. You have to give it a name, and you have to select a date range. It'll start 1 year from the previous date. You click OK, and the file will show up down below, and it'll show your last 3 reports ran. To get this most recent extract, click Refresh, and you'll have to download the CSV file. Now, if you are using a Windows machine, you will be able to open this file directly. But if you're using a Mac, if you try to open it, format will not look correct. We recommend that you open an Excel file and import the CSV file. This will show you any recent transactions and orders, whether they were submitted to the supplier or pending, or are still waiting for you as unsubmitted. You will see the order number generated by the system, as well as the PO number you give it, what catalog you ordered from, item numbers, item name, and pricing. This extract is available for you to run in the system at any time. You can choose your date ranges to run separately for paper or co-op or both. That ends the short tutorial. If you have any questions regarding the system or need further information, please contact your local ESU or Nebraska Co-op.